Hi! Welcome to 5 new English words every day. The show is accompanied by Sunedu and Pen. I'm Paul, and we are going to be learning English words together. Let's get started. Do you like my outfit? Looks good, right? I'm wearing this because today I'm going to be doing gardening. I love gardening. And we are going to learn 5 new English words together. The first word is garden, fence, branch, petal, and radish.
Garden, fence, branch, petal, radish.
This is my garden. Our first word today is garden.
Garden,
Garden. 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 Garden is a piece of land where you can grow lots of flowers, fruits, and vegetables. I love growing flowers. Lots of beautiful, colorful flowers. Do you have a garden next to your house? Is it big? Is it small? Tell me about your garden.
garden. G-A-R-D-E-N.
G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. And now we say the word garden with Pen.
Garden, garden.
Yeah. Does your garden have one of these? I bet it does. It's a fence. Our second word today is fence.
Fence,
Fence. 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 A fence is made out of wood or wire and supported with posts. This is a wooden fence, and this is a wire fence. Oh. A fence protects the garden. If you have a garden, always remember to build a fence.
fence. F-E-N-C-E.
F F-E-N-C-E, fence. F-E-N-C-E, fence. F-E-N-C-E, fence. And now we say the word fence with say pen.
Fence. Fence.
Look! My garden has so many trees. And look, here's a branch. Our third word today is branch.
Branch.
Branch. Branch. Branch. Branch. Branch. A branch grows out from the main stem and has lots of leaves, flowers, and fruits. This branch here has lots of leaves. But remember, don't cut off the branch. Wait till they fall down.
Branch.
B-R-A-N-C-H.
B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. And now we say the word branch with say pen.
Branch. Branch.
It's a petal. One petal, two petal, three petal, four petals. Our fourth word today is petal.
Petal.
Petal. Petal. Petal. Petal. Petal. A flower petal is the colorful part of the flower. A flower is usually made out of several different petals. Flower petals have many different colors, such as red, pink, yellow, and purple. Oh, look! It's a bee perched on the petals. So cute, right?
Petal.
P-E-T-A-L.
P-E-T-A-L. Petal. P-E-T-A-L. Petal. P-E-T-A-L. Petal. And now we say the word petal with say pen.
pedal, pedal.
Do you know what this is? That's right, it's a radish. Our fifth word today is radish.
Radish,
Radish. Radish. Ooh. Radish. 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 Radish is a small vegetable that grows underground. They're usually red or white. Sometimes they're shaped as a round, or sometimes they're shaped like your fingers. A radish has a very strong taste. But I love them. Let's pick some radishes and make a radish salad. Ta-da! It's a healthy radish salad. So yummy.
radish,
R-A-D-I-S-H.
R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. And now we say the word radish with say pen.
radish, radish.
Today we've learned 5 new English words about gardening. Let's say the 5 new English words together. Garden, fence, wrench, petals, and radish. We've done good work today, guys. See you in the next episode.